For decades, our solar system had 9 planets. Pluto, a small, icy world, held the title of the 9th planet from its discovery in 1930. Clyde Tombaugh, a young astronomer at the Lowell Observatory, discovered Pluto by meticulously comparing photographic plates of the night sky. His dedication paid off, and Pluto took its place in the cosmic ballet of our solar system. Pluto captured our imaginations from the start. It was a distant, mysterious world, shrouded in the darkness of the outer solar system. Its existence hinted at the vastness and wonder of the universe beyond our familiar neighborhood. However, the story of Pluto took an unexpected turn in the late 20th century. As our telescopes became more powerful, we began to discover other objects in the outer solar system that shared some of Pluto's characteristics. These discoveries challenged our understanding of what it meant to be a planet. Science is not static, it is a constantly evolving process of discovery and refinement. The definition of a planet, once seemingly straightforward, became a subject of intense debate as our knowledge of the solar system expanded. Early astronomers identified planets as celestial objects that wandered against the backdrop of fixed stars. As our understanding of gravity and celestial mechanics grew, we realized that planets were not stars themselves but rather objects that orbited our sun. However, the discovery of Pluto and other objects in the distant Kuiper Belt forced astronomers to re-evaluate their criteria for planethood. The question arose, were these newly discovered objects, some of which rivaled Pluto in size, also planets? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union convened to address the growing debate over Pluto's planetary status. The IAU established 3 specific criteria that a celestial object must meet to be classified as a planet. First, the object must be in orbit around the Sun. Second, the object must have sufficient mass for its self-gravity to assume a nearly round shape. Third, and most controversially, the object must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. This meant that a planet must be gravitationally dominant in its orbital region. Pluto, much to the disappointment of many, failed to meet the third criterion. While it satisfied the first 2 criteria, Pluto shares its orbital neighborhood with other icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. It has not cleared its orbital path, meaning that it is not gravitationally dominant in its region. As a result, the IAU reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. This new category acknowledged the existence of objects in our solar system that were larger than asteroids, but did not meet all the criteria for full planethood. Other objects in the solar system, such as Eris, Makemake, and Haumea, were also designated as dwarf planets. Ceres, a large object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, was also elevated to dwarf planet status. These reclassifications highlighted the diversity of objects in our solar system and the need for a more nuanced understanding of planetary formation and evolution. The IAU's decision to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet ignited a firestorm of controversy and debate. The public, many of whom had grown up with Pluto as the 9th planet, expressed a range of emotions from disappointment to outrage. Some saw the decision as a demotion, a stripping away of Pluto's planetary prestige. Others embraced the change, recognizing the need for a more accurate and scientifically rigorous definition of a planet. The debate over Pluto's status extended beyond the scientific community, captivating the public's imagination and sparking conversations about the nature of science itself. While Pluto may no longer be considered a planet in the strictest sense, its scientific significance remains undiminished. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history by flying past Pluto, providing us with the first close-up images of this distant world. The data and images returned by New Horizons have revolutionized our understanding of Pluto and its moons, revealing a surprisingly complex and geologically active world. From towering nitrogen glaciers to vast plains of frozen methane, Pluto has proven to be a treasure trove of scientific discovery. The story of Pluto is far from over. It continues to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we can be sure that Pluto will continue to hold a special place in our hearts and minds. What are your thoughts on Pluto's reclassification? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating space-related content.